So here, there's definitely a very easy approach as far as just using Desmos. So let's go ahead and check out how we could do so. We'll go to the upper right corner, choose the calculator there. And once we get our window the way that we like, which you could do Control plus, Control minus to zoom in, zoom out respectively. And let's go ahead and type these in. So I'm just gonna put g of x equals 3x minus 7, enter. And I'll do the same thing here with h of x equal to 2 minus g of x. So exactly what I see. And the goal is to find h of 1. Well, look at that. I got the answer is 6. Now, even though it was very straightforward, I do like to show you how you could do it algebraically as well, just so you can understand it really for your math class. But we got the answer is A, and we could move on if it were the real test. But let's take a look at what this really means when we're talking about function notation. So they want you to find h of 1 or h at 1. It means the same thing. So everywhere there's an x in function h, we're going to replace the x with a 1. So we would have h of 1 is equal to 2 minus g of 1. Now here we have to do g of 1. So what does that mean? Well, that means in function g, wherever there's an x, we're going to go ahead and replace it with a 1. So g of 1 is 3 times 1 minus 7. In other words, 3 minus 7 or negative 4. So now we could replace this g of 1 with negative 4. And notice we have 2 minus that negative 4. And we know that subtracting a negative is the same as adding, and we get 6. Now take a look at what this really means on the graph. So we calculated g of 1 at one point and got negative 4. Now if we go here and put g of 1, we could see we get negative 4, but really what that means is you have the ordered pair 1, negative 4 on function g, which is that red graph. And we can see that. That makes perfect sense. And ultimately, we wanted to find h at 1, which we knew was 6. And that means you have the ordered pair 1 comma 6 on function h, which is that blue graph, which we see as well. Ultimately, Desmos was the easiest approach, getting the correct answer of A.